Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Brad Langdon from MarineMax Stuart. Today I'm going to walk you on a 2025 260 SLX Sea Ray. Up front, we'll start here. You see your stadium seating, armrest on both sides. You have cup holders and in-floor storage. Your anchor lockers up front. Easy access to your anchor windlass. You also have a remote control up here and a wash down for your anchor. Moving aft to the helm area, you have dual screens for easy navigation, depth sounder, however you want to use it. You have a tilt steering wheel, very easily operated, simply labeled switches, digital throttle and shift. Your helm chair is going to have a fold-up bolster. Your companion seat will also. To the port side, you're going to have a storage area. That's a head. Currently, we have the table stored in there. Then looking down, you have storage inside the floor. Moving aft to your seating in the cockpit, you have more stadium seating that circles. You have a battery charger and a table that mounts here. You also have a cooler storage in here. And looking aft, you have a large sunshade with a stereo remote control, more cup holders. You also have cup holders to the port aft section and a very large top that does fold down. And your power on this boat is going to be a 300 horsepower Mercury outboard. If you'd like to come by Stuart and see this boat anytime, give us a call. Again, this is Brad at MarineMax Stuart. Thank you very much.